Hey gang, welcome to another episode of the show. Well, all the parts are in, so now we gotta clean up this bay and get ready to put this engine in the car. So, during a few months ago, the roof had some damage, and the roof has been, as you can see, look up there. We got a nice new roof into place, but unfortunately, the contractors didn't cover the car. The cover. So now we get to clean the car, remove all this debris, and I don't want to lay on the ground working in this kind of condition. I'm going to sweep all this up. So let's get to cracking on that. Let's start the show. As you can see, we got hornet's nests and bees nests. Got all this coffee can stuff. This is from the engine tear down. When those guys tore the engine down, we forgot to drain the oil out of it. So now we got to sweep all that up, sweep this whole bay, because none of this is going to be us laying on the ground once we put this engine in the car. Unless we can find somebody with a lift. That'd be nice. We'll find somebody with a lift. I'll call a tow truck, put it on the lift again. So, let's grab some brooms. Sorry you missed out on all the power washing I had to do in this car because my phone died. I put it on the charger. So it's gonna go, we're gonna cut for the day and we're going to put that on the charger. So we'll come back tomorrow and finish all this up. In true Mighty TA fashion, the valley pin is incorrect because we only have one bolt, not the guide pin, so we got to put on the different type of intake manifold. I called the auto parts store in and we're waiting on parts, so we're going to put the valve cover gaskets on here anyway.
glad I could put that final push on.
Yeah, you did a good job. You did it.
We were struggling until you got here, so it was obviously you was good luck charm.
Okay.
Oh, don't leave, but you should show up an hour earlier.
Yeah, that would have helped a little bit.
Oh, this, the guys had, that's quite a motor.
No, I did get that jack on the training, on the very tip, where I want you to get the horse, I just said with afterwards. Because that's where you can move it more on the most. It's on the tip of the training.
Oh, that only took all day.
Actually, it took 3 hours.
Yeah, this would have been done a long time ago, if it wasn't for getting the keys locked out and other things happening and this and that. And the other
It's
thing.
been a long day.
All right, with that, I'm out of here.
All right, thank you
I
for
wanna
your
make
help.
sure it's- I was here and
You want to make sure you were part of getting that engine in there. We know.
yeah, even if I didn't do much.
You did a lot. You did a lot.
All right, well, thank you
All right,
guys.
I'm out. I'm
Thank
dirty
you.
handed.
Thank you, Dirty Handed.
I'm fine. I just want enough to keep it from getting on my steering wheel.
Wanna
Other
see
than
me again, Scott?
Is there a gap underneath that motor?
Yeah, it should be.
that, all
It should
right.
be. It has to be.
Hopefully,
Anyway,
everything popped in.
torque and all that.
All right, now we got to do.
It's gonna be a pain.
Now the rest is up to you.
Now all we got to do now is everything.
Now,
Yep.
now,
Okay, now we're all leaving now. It's on
now
Jeff
the
now.
engine. See, we did it. Now the engine crew comes in, does everything else while we.
Yeah, now we're engine crew. Engine crew. Where are you?
We drop it in there. The actual people come in here to do the rest.
That's you.
This is an interesting
Engine
episode.
crew.
Here, what's that?
I'm ready to go the fuck home.
Go home, make a sandwich, drink a beer,
Getting yelled at.
beer and a burger,
Getting yelled at.
get yelled at. What about you, Lou? Gonna go home and get yelled at too?
Nope. The kids are up to go to the store and get ice cream. I'm going home to quietness.
Quietness, good. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good night.
Night, all.
See you next week.
Yeah.
That's
What
good.
they said.
I special ordered some intake manifold gaskets, and they finally arrived. Paid for them to show up early, which they didn't. Yeah, these are the intake manifold gaskets. Looks like I'm going back to the store.